Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation with a look at a product developed through our Idea Division. The Idea Division is the contract manufacturing arm of RealWheels Corporation, serving vehicle OEMs, bodybuilders, and upfitters. IDEA stands for Innovative Design and Engineering Applications and assists companies with various levels of design, engineering, and fabrication. The product in the spotlight today is our American-made custom stainless steel diamond pattern steps with non-slip extrusions. Stainless steps will really enhance the appearance of your commercial vehicle build. All steps are custom made to your specifications, or we can work with you on the design. Our fabricating abilities allow for flexibility to meet your vehicle requirements while staying within your budget constraints, even at low volume. The first thing you'll notice is the 14-gauge, high-quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel. These steps will not rust, pit, corrode, or turn yellow. Each step is laser cut. Then the diamond pattern with extrusions are punched on the flat step area. We also include drainage holes to allow water, dirt, and debris to pass through. After this, the steps are formed and welded. Finally, each step is hand polished to a mere shine in our in-house buffing department. And for fire and EMS builders, the step extrusion, placement, and design meet NFPA standards. All of us at RealWheels are passionate problem solvers, consistently dedicated to finding the best design and manufacturing solutions for our clients. For more information on custom steps or any of our contract manufacturing services, visit our website at realwheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.